In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a Shopify shipping label. If you've ever found yourself needing to cancel a shipping label, maybe due to an incorrect address or a change in shipping plans, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. First things first, let's get into your Shopify admin. You'll want to access the specific order from which you created the shipping label. Locate the Orders section in your Shopify admin. Once you're there, find the order you want to void the label for. You can either scroll through your orders or use the search bar at the top to quickly navigate to it by typing in key order details like the order number or customer name. When you click into the order, you'll find a section that details your current shipping information. Look for a link or button labeled Shipping Label. Click this and it will take you to a page with the specifics of the label you've created. Within this space, you'll need to spot the Void Label option. This can typically be found near the corner or edge of the shipping label details. It might be represented as a button or a small link, but it's usually clearly marked. Once you've found and selected the Void Label option, a confirmation message will likely pop up. This dialog box is your last call for reviewing the label you're about to void. Take a moment to double-check all the information to ensure it's correct and that this is indeed the label you want to cancel. Voiding this label will cancel that shipment request made with the carrier, so make sure this aligns with your needs. Now, after you confirm and officially void the label, a refund for the label's cost will be initiated automatically. Redeeming your funds typically depends on carrier policies, but most of the time, you should see this reflected as a credit back to your account, typically within a few days. At this point, make sure to notify your customer, if necessary, about the cancellation or any changes in their delivery schedule, especially if the cancellation impacts their expected delivery date. Good communication helps manage expectations and maintains a positive customer relationship. And there you have it. You've successfully voided a Shopify shipping label with ease. If you have any bumps along the way, Shopify's support or your carrier can provide further assistance. Remember, getting familiar with these steps ensures that handling such issues in the future becomes second nature. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need more detailed clarification on any parts of this process, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy shipping!